What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited because what I'm bringing you today could really change your life. But before we get into it, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. It's only my opinion and I do it because I want to get these on your radar. Okay, the community is loving the videos and I'm loving the support. So let's get straight in. Guys, it's oceanprotocol.com. The links are going to be down below. Now, what it is a new asset class, all right? The generation tools to unlock data at a large scale. If you have a look at the top of the website, you got the learn. I'm going to go through all of these for you. Got the community, get funding. I'll go through that as well. Build and other. So we've got Ocean Market, Be Ocean and Data Farming, and the data challenges. Now, it's a World Economic Forum technology pioneer and has been featured in the fact of BBC, Forbes, New York Times, and a lot more. So let's dive into it. So looking at the learn, data NFTs and native tokens, all right? Ocean makes it easy to publish data services deployed on ERC-721 data NFTs and ERC-20 data tokens. The consume data service, spend data tokens, crypto wallets, exchanges, and DAOs become data wallets with it. How does this work? So the data NFTs, ERC-721 tokens representing the unique assets of the data tokens that are on the ERC-20. Now, the assets data services, each data service gets its own data NFT, one or more type of tokens. So you can actually access it if you hold one token. Now, to access the data set, you send 1.0 data tokens to the data provider. To give access to someone else, send them the token. That's it. Since data tokens are ERC-20 and live on Ethereum mainnet, there's a whole ecosystem to leverage. So do your own research and have a look through the documentation in the Ocean Market at the bottom of that bit. Now, let's have a look at the marketplaces. We have the data publishers going through the Ocean to the data consumers. So how does this work? Let's have a look. Publishing a data set amounts to initial data offering. That's the IDO. It can be the data that user has rights to or open data with value added. You can see in the diagram how that happens there. Key actions is the published data, discovered data, buy data, and consumer data. And again, at the bottom, the resources are here. Just click it and do your own research. Having a look at the computer to data, all right? Buy and selling private data while preserving the privacy. This resolves the trade-off between the benefits of using the private data and the risk of exposing it. As you can see in the diagram here, the most valuable data is private data. Using it can improve research and business outcomes, but concerns over privacy and control make it hard to access. Now, how does this work? So the owners approve the AI algorithms to run their data. Now, compute to data orchestrates remote computation and execution on data to train AI models. That's while preserving the privacy of the data. Private data aids in research, all right, leading to life-altering innovations in business, science and technology as well. For example, more data improves the predictive accuracy of modern AI models. So click on the bottom where it says use CD2 in the Ocean Market and do a little bit more research and the README quick start. Having a look at the data science, again, scroll down, you will see a diagram on how it works. This is to buy data, sell data, or curate data. Directly interface from the Ocean Python library. So either optionally use computer data for privacy. Here they actually elaborate further going down into the data science resources. Guys, I want to show you the roadmap now. It goes all the way from November 2017. I'm going to skip through to where we are now, but when you come on this, I want you to go through every single section. There's too much for me to do in this video. It'll go on too long, but you can see the things that we've been going through. In August, there was the PC data market testnet, moving through the V alpha, the V1 beta, production and mainnet, enterprise. The computer to data was in 2020. All the way through to the Ocean DAO, which was at the end of it, Q4, December 2020. Moving through, you got the fine-grained permissions in 2021. And again, we're going to get to where we are now. So we've just passed the data farming in Q2 2022, and we're now at the V-Ocean staking. Right, this is the Q3. You can earn it by locking Ocean and curating quality data, and the incentivize holding Ocean longer term. This is what it's going to do to get people to hold this token. That's why you get the staking object. Then you've got the traction driving projects. All right, and then moving through continuous improvements and growth. So they're going to continue improving and growing this project as we move through to Q4 22 and beyond. Guys, I want to show you what the Get Funding section shows. It has a DAO Grants main, the DAO Grants tool, and the shipyard. So when you click on DAO Grants main, it actually shows you the funding round going on, okay? Round 22, 75,000 available in grants. You can submit your proposal by October the 4th. If you watch this late, it's already gone, and vote from 6th till the 10th, okay? All you got to do is click Submit Proposal. There'll be more coming up on the rounds as well. All you need to know is when one of these rounds come up, submit your grant and they will get back to you if it has been granted. Now, having a look at the data grant tools, all right, you want to go on here for your voting power and claiming the grants. You want to connect your wallet, and I always recommend connecting through MetaMask. Okay, wallet connects okay as well, but MetaMask is my preferred. Going back up to the shipyard. Now, this is something coming in for the future. We're in the early stage of the grant program now. It's established to fund the next generation of Web3 dApps. That's decentralized apps. It is made for entrepreneurs looking to build open source Web3 solutions. Click the apply button. It will make you put in your details. I've already done it, so I don't think I get a second apply. But once you put it in, they'll let you know if the application has been accepted. On the Twitter, guys, 155,000 followers. That's incredible, and they're getting some incredible engagement on their posts. What I want you to do is hit that follow button up at the top, let them know you're from this channel, put in the comments saying, George sent me here, and I'm super excited to be part of this project. Guys, we've got a second project I want to talk to you about. You're very, very lucky. I'm going to do this very, very quick. It's Wombat.app. Now, this is an incredible project, right? I want to show you the ecosystem first. So their ecosystem is an open ecosystem, all right? It believes in Web3 and its open nature. The openness is instrumental for removing the boundaries of gaming and achieving true interoperability between games, utilizing public blockchains, enabling true digital ownership, and allowing users to move assets freely in the Wombat is about. You can see on the diagram here. So that's their ecosystem in a nutshell. Guys, they have actually introduced the governance for the Wombat token, right? I'm super excited about this, and the fastest growing community I think is here. It's very, very active, especially for the Dungeon Master, all right? And it's blowing up all over the socials. So please, 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 go on their Twitter, give them a follow, go on their Discord. All the links are going to be down below for this. So what about that, guys? We threw two at you there, a little nice one at the end. If you love what we're doing on this channel, keep hitting that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you on the very next video.